Alright, so we're gonna jump in the rickshaw again, head down to Puri.
Alright, so we've arrived in Puri. We're down by the beach now. We decided we'd do a bit of a lap of the main street when we got here. I'm not sure if we were supposed to be driving some of those places. We had about four lots of police try and stop us, but that's all good. So yeah, we're just heading to a hotel now, and then we'll come down to the beach side and get into the chaos.
Down at, I suppose you call it the main strip, and there's stuff going on everywhere. It's amazing. There's people, there's little stalls, there's food.
Where are you from?
Australia, man. Yeah, so yeah, cars, rickshaws, bikes. We just thought we'd come down to the beach and have a little bit of a look around. Alright, so we're walking along the beach and saw this amazing sand sculpture here. I got the artist here, name is Rishikesh Nayak. And so you make these sculptures on the beach, yeah?
Yeah, Puri beach.
Puri beach, every day?
Every day.
Every day. He's an artist. The government doesn't offer any support, so we asked for a little donation to take a photo, which I was more than happy to give. If you search on YouTube,
You need to search sand art Rishikesh Nayak.
Sand art Rishikesh Nayak, and you'll see the rest of his art. So awesome, man.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much, and thank you for creating this for us all to enjoy.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Okay.
Have a good night, man.
Nice to meet you.
You too, sir.
Okay.
I'm going to grab something to eat on the beach, but we've had to go for a bit of a walk because both of us only have big notes. Az has got a 2,000, I got a 500, and no one down there has got any change for those. So we're just kind of looking for a big looking shop where we can buy something, get a bit of change. Not an uncommon problem that we've encountered here, which is fair enough. When someone's charging 30 rupees for a plate of food, then, you know, it's a bit hard to keep change on hand for such big notes. But yeah, hopefully we'll find one soon and we can go and get something to eat because I'm a bit hungry. managed to track down a bit of change. So I've just come back down to the beach. Gonna try a few of these different dishes that are available down here. It all looks and smells amazing. Wonderful. Thank you, sir. Alright, food's arrived. A little bench here to sit on, so I'm gonna tuck in. Bon appetit. Alright, so I'll finish that with some sort of savory chat. Absolutely amazing. Still feeling a bit peckish. So luckily, there's a gentleman right here selling like stir-fried noodles. So I think I'm gonna cruise over here and hit him up for a plate. Had my last plate of food. It was amazing as well. I've just spotted a bit of popcorn, so I'm gonna go and grab a bag. Amazing, crazy down here. It's a Monday night. People everywhere, activity, lights, noises, smells, food, camel rides on the beach, people selling conch shells, trinkets, lights, cookware down here. It's just, this is like a hub. It's like a thriving center of the city down here on the beach. It's quite something to see. Anyway, I'm gonna grab my popcorn and we'll head back. How much for popcorn?